Why most people stay broke. The mindset shift that changes everything. If you feel like you're doing everything right, budgeting, saving, working hard, but your money still isn't moving, it's not your income. It's not your job. It's your mindset. And once you fix this, everything else gets easier. Pause. Lean in. Today, I'm going to show you the mindset shift that separates people who stay stuck from people who quietly build wealth. Welcome to the Fit Wallet, where we help you get your money in shape, one simple step at a time. If you're ready to stop stressing about money and start taking control of it, go ahead and subscribe. This video is the foundation for everything else you'll learn on this channel. Section 1. The Hidden Money Script. Running your life. Most people don't realize this, but your relationship with money was shaped long before you ever earned a paycheck. You learned how to feel about money, how to react to money, how to fear money, how to avoid money, from the environment you grew up in. If you heard, "We can't afford that," "Money doesn't grow on trees," "Rich people are greedy," then you absorbed a scarcity script. And here's the truth. You can't build a wealthy life with a broke mindset. This is why people stay stuck even when their income goes up. Section 2. Scarcity versus growth mindset. Scarcity mindset sounds like, "I'll never get ahead. I'm always behind. I'm bad with money." Growth mindset sounds like, "I can learn this. I can improve. I can build wealth over time." The difference is subtle, but the results are massive. Scarcity keeps you frozen. Growth gets you moving. And money rewards movement. Section 3. The wealth identity shift. Here's the part no one talks about. You don't get wealthy by doing wealthy things. You get wealthy by becoming the kind of person who does wealthy things. Identity drives behavior. If you see yourself as someone who's bad with money, you'll avoid budgeting. If you see yourself as someone who's learning to manage money, you'll take small steps. If you see yourself as someone who builds wealth, you'll start acting like it. Identity, habits, results. Not the other way around. Section 4. The 3-step money mindset reset. Step 1. Awareness. For the next 48 hours, write down every money thought you have. Don't judge it. Just observe it. You'll start to see patterns. Step 2. Rewrite the script. Take each negative thought and flip it. Examples. I'll never get ahead. I'm learning how to get ahead. I'm bad with money. I'm improving my money skills. I can't afford that. How can I afford that? This is how you rewire your brain. Step 3. Daily micro actions. Wealth is built in tiny steps. Save $5. Pay $10 toward debt. Read one page of a finance book. Watch one Fit Wallet video. Review your bank account. Small actions build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Momentum builds wealth. Section 5. The Fit Wallet Challenge. For the next 30 days, choose one money habit and do it every day. Comment below which one you're choosing. If this helped you rethink your relationship with money, subscribe to the Fit Wallet. We're building a community of people who want to grow, learn, and take control of their financial future. And if you want the next step, watch my video on budgeting for beginners. It's the perfect follow-up to this mindset shift.